should be out by now. Can you please call me?
I think the most important quality of a cave explorer is to always stay alert. The number of mistakes you can make is none. But sometimes, danger is inevitable, unavoidable. So your only option is to face it. Looking back at my past, exploration has meant to break through boundaries and feel the wonders of this glamorous nature. But at what cost?
Hey honey, I miss you. Hope you're okay. Please let us know. We miss you.
For those of you who want to step out of rooms, my advice is stay safe and find your glory.